loads of interruption sounds from birds, but I'm literally going work, but I can make a little video out of going work. I'm going to teach you how to use a thumb pick. I'm going to use the A minor chord, which is the C, hold a C, hold an A, yeah, hold an E. And all I'm doing with this hand is I'm kind of hammering on with that one. So easy, I'm just hammering on them notes. And sliding from that C, going to the B, that we spoke about in episode 2. Went up for my interview on the 4th day of July. Personal man, he questioned me until I nearly cried. Made me fill in forms, made me shake with fear. About the colour of a toilet roll, and if my cousin's queer. Here's your Goldwatch and your shackle for your chain, and a piece of paper to say you left it sane. If you have a son who wants a good career, get him signed on the dotted line and work for 50 years. I'm just stepping up that C scale. Missing out the F. Anyway, I've got to go work, I'm going to be late now. I hope everyone has a lovely day.